Welcome to the Fresh Tech Productions channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to install an APK on your Android device. Before getting started, I'll be giving you your installments of riddle time for this video. And the riddle goes like this. What has a mouth but never speaks, and a bed but never lies in it? To get the answer to that riddle, please stay tuned until the end of this video. Now to begin the tutorial, you'll have to first get your APK downloaded. After finding your APK, you have to go to settings and ensure that you turn a setting that can be found under security, and it is unknown sources. Ensure that this particular setting is turned on. Hit OK. Then after ensuring that setting is on, you can then install your APK. Go ahead and tap on it, then tap install, package installer this time only. Then it installs. So after the application has finished installing successfully, you will get a notation on your screen, one side saying done and the other side saying open. Now you can just go ahead and click done so as to get a chance to delete this APK right away while you're still in the file manager. So after deleting that APK, you can now go to all apps, and when you slide over here, you will now see the app that you have just installed. Now this is the end of the video, and I know you guys have been waiting to get answer to that riddle, and here's a reminder of the question. What has a mouth but never speaks, and a bed but never lies in it? The answer, a river. Now please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more of my future videos. Goodbye.